Hey, this is Hans from Welcome to my channel. Okay, this time we are going to have a demonstration on how to record music in the computer. So, if you have a decent computer na mabilis-bilis mag-process and at least marami ding mga updated plugins na pwedeng i-run, most likely, meaning you're running at least minimum Windows 10 maybe, but preferably Windows 11, maybe using Mac as well, and you have a good storage and memory of the computer. Siguro pwede tayong uh, pwede tayong mag-start mag-record ng ating music, but then of course you should have also some equipments, especially yung meron tayong at least a microphone and meron tayong instrument as well. Pero there are many ways how to put them in between. So paano natin i-connect yung ating computer software or literally yung instrument natin. There are some devices that we call an audio interface. This audio interface will be converting your analog signal into a digital. Maybe you could have a decent 16-bit quality or until 24-bit studio professional output. So pero if you have a very simple audio interface and then you have a perfect cable for your instrument, that's good. Well, in my case, I do have a 12-channel mixer, and what I do is I connect all my instrument over here. Technically, I don't have an audio interface, just a fine tuning on DVs that you're seeing on your indicators. Pag you could have a range of 0 decibels, you're pretty much having a good audible sounds na. Malakas-lakas na siya at audible na hindi na parang bumubulong. Pero if you're getting like a signal going to a lower as negative 40 dB, so mahina. So pag in-upload nyo yan sa social media nyo or sa YouTube, so hindi siya ganun kalakas, so hindi ganun kalinaw. Right. Currently, I'm also recording on using an OBS software. So a bit complex kasi nga ginawa kong yung signal coming out from my channel, from my mixer, which is the stereo out, 2-channel left and right. Basically, I use couple of RCA naka-adapter lang sa 1/4 inch, and then that cable will run at the back, pero yung dulo nun is 3.5 millimeter jack. It's a TRRS na ginawa ko lang line in so that it will feed that analog signal straight to my computer. So that's why you're seeing now this Audacity. This Audacity is one of the very siguro pinakamadaling i-download for the meantime at madaling aralin, especially if you're trying to record your music. So this Audacity can freely download. You can just Google it, download Audacity, and you will be getting probably the latest version na 3.5.1. Currently I have this one though. Right. So there you go. So as long as I have my own connection of channels, my condenser mic is connected and powered by my mixer. My guitar is on the other channel that will also supply the guitar effects from my multi effects pedal na Tank G, right? And we can now set up your Audacity, your DAW, your digital audio workstation. As long as the audio setup should be set, particularly in the recording device, it must be either in the line in. But in case, of course, if you are using an audio interface, it's using a USB. But you will find also the name kasi meron siyang driver na madedetect doon. Right? And the playback, it's up to you. You could use the speaker of your computer. Okay, without further ado, let's try to record one worship song, which is written by Romel Guevara, and ito ay pamagat na mahal kita Panginoon. So I will turn on now my guitar. You might be hearing now my guitar. Alright. And let's see. For now, hindi ko naririnig yon if I don't use also a headphone, kasi normally in recording I don't use the power amplifier kasi malakas mag-feedback siya, especially this condenser mic. Talagang pag hindi fully controlled yung room, talaga nagfi-feedback. So you can now hear my guitar. Right, so first what I will do is, since this is a mixer, all the straight analog signal is coming together, meaning the left and right will be in the single track. So otherwise, if I do it or I use the multi port ng audio interface, pero normally dalawa lang naman, you could have simultaneous, dalawa kagad. I can set pan to the left muna yung guitar, maybe yung isa sa kanan, yung vocals ko. But for now, I cannot do that because wala akong audio interface. So but I can still do single tracks, but one at a time, right? So I'll be recording the very short lang, gagawin natin mabilis. Mahal na mahal kita Panginoon. So let me start now the recording. Okay, wait. I should be turning off the microphone kasi mapi-feed niya yung strum ng gitara ko. Ayun, now it was been recorded. Okay, actually you can see now the first track, right? And for the meantime, just if you want to listen to hear the recording, i-feed ko lang dito sa condenser mic. So ipi-play ko straight away from this speaker ng computer ko. So this is how it looks like. So wala siyang kanta kasi pinatype yung mic ko. So we'll do it in a different layer. Isang track naman. Right. So nakita nyo na the sound of the guitar is basically the effects coming from my pedal. Alright. So from the mixer, basically, of course, I turn off yung effects niya kasi pang vocals ko lang gagamitin yan. So which means ito mismo yung after fader level na. So kahit anong gawin ko doon, ito talagang palalabasin ko. So this track, I will just name this one as guitar. Right, guitar. And guitar, and then siguro I will add on one instrument. Maybe I will, before the vocals, I will go to tracks menu, tapos you will see add new there, and mono. Basically it's just a mono. We don't do the stereo kasi isa lang naman ang track ang pinaglalagyan natin. Right, mono, and I will name this one as bass. So we'll add on a bass. So meaning I will be grabbing now my bass guitar. Right, teka lang ha. Alright, ito na ang bass. So, I run the bass to another channel and let me just turn on. Hello, hello. Teka lang. Yeah, iba yata ang fader na click ko. Teka lang, I have some technical issue here. I don't hear sound from the bass. But I can see my indicator that it's working. So, teka lang. There's something wrong on my connection.
Yes, I didn't put the keyboard on in the phone. Yes.
Okay. Basically, I'm getting a signal pero it was sending. See, okay. Now I get it because I already turned on the pre-fader ng bawat isa, so I forgot to do that. So meaning I have to turn on the pre-fader also. Now I can hear it. Oh God. So nakakalito din minsan pag ikaw lang lahat na nagsiset up ng iyong audio. Right. Right. Meron ng you can hear now the bass daw, right? Right. Taasan lang natin konti. Right. All right. So let's see if it works well. I will going to record the bass, but I need to turn off this one.
Yes.
Okay, let's try this now. I will turn off now the microphone. Okay, we are having some problem here now. So Sebastian is
Hey,
here
someone's
beside me.
opening the door.
Right.
But someone's opening the door.
Call your kuya. Call your kuya. Come on. Call your kuya. Alright, so we just probably add some more track then. I think I'm not becoming successful of doing this bass track. If I want to listen it, capture din naman ng bass. Right. Capture din naman ng bass. So for the meantime, let me just redo this one later, and it's better to add a new track, mono track as well, and I'll make this one as an audio now. Audio. All right, this would be the audio. Okay, let's try to record now with the lyrics. I think I can still do this one though. Right. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Kailan may di kita'y pagpapalit, pagkat sa piling mo'y langit. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Alright, so stop natin down ang recording. Alright. So let's now try to listen how it come out here sa ating recording. It's not professionally done, but at least you can see how it should be done when you're doing it for the first time, right? Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Right, see, you can hear the audio of my vocals with the guitar. Right, so basically I could still add on one more here, using the drums, drum track. Right. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Okay, right, so stop natin down. Right, there you go. Okay, just to complete this, of course, if you really want to come back to this project, it's better to save as this one, right? So save as mo to somewhere in your desktop so that you can still keep going on. Right, I'll just name this one testing, and you can still come back here if you're not yet done though. And the best thing with this, of course, if you want to compile this one now, you can export this one in the file menu, and you can export this audio and export to typical MP3 na. So you can literally save this one, export, right, testing, right, MP3 stereo, and if you export this one, you'll find this file from your desktop, right, and you can play this one straight away. Right, so that would be it. We will end up our video here, and for the next session, hopefully I could complete music with the whole track, with drums, keyboard, vocals, bass, and the guitar, and with a lead guitar as well, no? So really I have to prepare myself there, because for now, of course, my little boy is around, so it's quite difficult to work on this video. But at least you found it very straightforward. So this is only what I could help for the beginners to start on how to record your music in the computer or using a digital audio workstation or DAW. Right, so for now. Bye bye for now. God bless you and bye bye.